If you're like most people, you've probably lost your phone at least once. And if you're really unlucky, you might lose it for good. But there's a little-known feature on your iPhone that can help you track it down. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Find My iPhone so that if your phone ever goes missing, you can locate it quickly and easily. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, go to Settings, then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. After that, tap on Location Services. Once you are on this screen, you will see an option called Share My Location. So go ahead and tap on that. And then the very first option is Find My iPhone. Just tap on that. And now all you have to do next is simply toggle this on. Find My iPhone. And now you have successfully enabled the Find My iPhone feature. So if you ever lose your phone or someone steals it, you can always find it, and even if you can't find it, you can erase it so that no one can access the stuff on your phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.